So we have also added something called tools in Stackby. So you see, you go on the right panel here and you will see you can manage columns and manage views. So here we're going to talk about manage columns, how you can basically give column level permissions to your team members and manage it from a single place. So let's say you've got a particular table open. You just go to manage columns and you will see all the different columns that are available in that table, what their column type is. You can basically give description of that column as well, all the deal names, right? And you can give column level permissions here. So you can select a permission and you can see who can edit values in this particular column, whether it is editors and up, creators and up, any specific users. Let's say you only want to give this particular user the access. Only Alice can edit values in this field. And you can also toggle on and off, allow this records to be set in the columns created through forms or through updatable forms. So you can toggle on and off depending on your needs. So this is how you can basically add, different column level permissions from a single place, in Stackby. You don't have to go into individual columns one by one and give permissions. You can basically see all the columns of that particular table and give people access, to particular columns. You can basically also edit the description, edit permissions, and you can also delete the column from here. And you can even add a new column right from, from this particular admin panel access.